Now we are discussing about chemical business options. In that, ball pen ink making is also one of that. How is ball pen ink made? Ballpoint pen ink is normally a paste containing around 25 to 40% dye. Dye means DYE dye. The dyes are suspended in a mixture of solvents and fatty acids. The most common of the solvents are benzyl alcohol and phenoxyethanol, which mix the dyes and oils to create a smooth paste that dries quickly. How can I make, next point is, how can I make ball pen ink at home? Directions: boil the coffee with the water for about 30 minutes. Use an old t-shirt or a few coffee filters to strain out the liquid into a bowl. Whisk in the gum arabic or honey until dissolved to thicken the ink. Let it cool and it is ready to use. That is the information. And next point is, what is the raw material for pen ink? Metal complex dyes and complexes in castor oil, stand oil. Varnishes and driers are mixed together in suitable proportion in a mixing machine. The material so produced is called ball pen ink, which is viscous in nature. And next point is, what are the three main ingredients of ink? Essentially, the key ingredients to an ink are pigments, resins, and waxes and additives. Next point is, what kind of ink is in ballpoint pens? Oil-based paste ink. The difference between a ballpoint pen and a roller ball pen is the type of ink inside the pen. Ballpoint pens contain oil-based paste ink. Roller ball pens contain water-based gel ink. So this is the information regarding ball pen ink making. So ball pen ink making, you can do it, but what I am saying is, first you should have a project report. That is MS Word. You should type your project report step by step, not in alternative way. In step by step, if you write, where is the location you should select? You should select it. And what are the raw materials you should purchase? Transportation facility is there to your location or not? And water facility is there or not? Comfortable space is there or not? And what machinery you should purchase? All these things you should maintain a document, project Word document if you prepare. Then you can, once if you start it, you should not do any type of research and thinking. According to the document of the project, if you go step by step, you will be successful in this business. So be careful regarding the implementation. Before that, you should have a complete plan. What I am saying is, before all these things, you should have a basic experience. At least a couple of months, you should get good experience in ball pen ink making. That is most important, and it will give you a fulfillment to your work. Wishing you all the best.